Hello guys, so today I just like to share how to recover the hard disk of this old laptop. So I have here an Acer Aspire version 5 2013 model. So I have lots of memories and save data here. However, I couldn't recover the file because this laptop is not functioning. Let's pull out the hard disk of this old laptop and upgrade that to external hard drive and use as extra memory device. No, this is the hard disk or the hard drive of this laptop. So unscrew this part. Just pull out this hard disk. Okay, so there you have it. So we have a Toshiba 320 gigabyte. So guys, we have now the hard drive. We can now retrieve our old files saved in this hard drive, and at the same time we can use this as extra memory device. Take out this casing, this one, another one, unscrew this screw. Okay, we have now external hard drive. To recover files and use this as external hard drive, all I have to do is to put this hard drive into this 2.5 HDD external case. This is enclosure which is available online to any online selling platform for only 175 pesos, Philippine pesos. Okay, we have a pouch here. Let's open this enclosure. Oh, so let's see what's inside. So this is the chips wherein we can plug this into this hard disk or hard drive. Okay, just simply plug in this chips, then just place it again into the enclosure. Okay, and cover it. So we have now an extra external hard drive. So let us check if this is working. Let us check and plug in the connector. Okay, so we can see a light blinking here, color blue. And I think the hard disk or the external disk that we took from the laptop is working. Let us check. What is good thing in this closure, we also recovered the system, the entire system of the old laptop. Okay, in this laptop, this is labeled the local disk I. Okay, so the old program that we have in the old laptop, we already recovered it. Okay, And then the backup file is labeled local disk J on my computer today. So I can put files here and even to this local disk I. So from 170 pesos, you can now have your external hard disk or spare external drive wherein we can save a lot of data depending on the amount of the free space that you can recover from your old laptop. Okay, so thank you for watching and visiting this channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button to make us and help our channel grow. Thank you very much and thank you for watching. Bye.